Laptops and notebooks have become a necessity for everybody nowadays, and finding affordable ones is just as easy. But just quickly, GearBest are having a huge 4-year anniversary sale and there are hundreds of bargains, so ensure you take a look at their site in a link in the description. Now this is the Lapbook. It's 12.3 inches, 2736 by 1824 pixeled laptop display. Well, they like to call it Lapbook, which is the thing they seem to have gone for. Nevertheless, despite its name, it's packed full of promising specs and of a surprisingly high quality build. So in the box, you're looking at getting the charger and a very simple instruction manual. And I mean, it's very simple. There is nothing there that could support you in any way. But this laptop is pretty much plug and play with all the instructions on screen, so there isn't really much to worry about. It's packaged well, and when you take away the packaging, you can see it isn't an extremely large laptop. But upon touch, it feels surprisingly high quality. Looking around the laptop, first, I'll start with the screen. Now, the pixel density is promised to be 2K, and in an honest opinion, it's not bad. But let's be honest, if you're after a fantastic displayed laptop, you're gonna go for something completely different. If you're even watching this video because that's what you think you're gonna get off the video. There's quite a lot of wasted screen with the huge, massive, very unnecessary bevel, but nevertheless, once again, it's actually kinda slick looking. It adds somewhat of a I'm trying to be a MacBook approach. With your little 0.3 megapixel webcam, you're not far off covering all the areas of affordable add-ons. Round the side, you'll get a mini HDMI slot for external display support, 2 USB slots, one standard 3.0 and another 2.0, a DC jack and a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro SD card slot. And to be honest, it's quite a lot packed into quite a small construction. As you can see, the build and size is fairly thin and offers the portability that many of us crave. It's actually quite a beautiful looking piece of kit, and if I saw it on a shop shelf, I never really contemplated it being a Chinese model until I saw the Chinese writing. People will be getting deja vu looking at this keyboard layout and design because it has clearly been modelled on the MacBook series. But come on, let's be honest, who cares? A lot of these companies do the exact same thing, and the whole reason is to offer affordability without having to come up with a new design. The keyboard is completely responsive and doesn't lack in build quality at all. I'd actually say it feels much more tactile than some of the popular branded ones you'd pick up in store. Same goes to the trackpad. It's extremely responsive and offers clicks from the left and right corners. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Now, in terms of its built-in specs, they aren't bad for a notebook branded product like this. I say that because we aren't going to be expecting a huge quantity of storage space, because if you are, you're gonna be shocked. There's about 64 gigabytes of onboard storage facility. Now, once you upload an operating system, the pre-installed one, you're gonna go down to about 20, and then once you've installed the update, you're probably gonna go down to about 17. But it's to be expected with something like this, so you're gonna need an external memory source. I won't lie to you, I was kinda expecting this thing to lag, even on the desktop interface, but Word document processing and general web searching along with YouTube videos and Java applications work with ease. And that's probably thanks to its onboard 6 GB of RAM and Intel 1.1 GHz quad-core processing power. Another great thing I found about this laptop is its battery life. I had a 6-hour update to do from taking this out the package and lasted throughout. The advised standby time is 7 to 8 hours, and that's obviously without heavy usage. And to be honest, from what I've seen, I would stand by that. It's a complete delight to use a laptop with a price tag like this, and it's even more of a delight to know that companies are continuing to bring affordability partnered up with quality, and in this instance, some decent onboard power. Everybody needs a laptop nowadays. If it's for school, if it's for general use, you will need one. And a laptop like this gets my recommendation for you. If you're on the market for a laptop for general use to handle day-to-day tasks with breeze at an affordable price, take a look at this one. It might not be for you, but it's certainly a good contender. Till next time.